Kelli here to get it where they never gon' go. I ain't never gon' stop, I ain't never go broke. Got a million in my mind, I'ma free my soul. Got a million in my mind, yeah, let's go, alright, yeah. So this is what it sounds like when you don't have a microphone and you're recording your audio off your camera. Now this is what it sounds like when you have one of these lovely microphones. Doesn't it sound a lot better? What's good? My name is Kelly, and I hope all you guys are having a fantastic day. As you guys can see by the title below, I will be reviewing this awesome microphone. Maono USB professional podcasting microphone kit. You get a microphone stand. You get everything in this box that you need to record with. They actually sent me this microphone to do this awesome review for you guys, and they also gave me a 10% discount code. So what's up? Now I'm here to make this quick interruption to let you guys know, instead of a 10% discount code, we now have a 20% discount code. So go ahead and get it while you can, while it's cheap. $50, like $51 for this microphone, this whole entire microphone kit. So links in the description. Back to the review. Get the whole entire kit for $65, and it's USB, so it plugs right into your computer. So for this review, I will be talking into the microphone like I am right now. I'll be doing some live music tests for you guys. I'm gonna rap. I have a friend, he's gonna sing for you guys. And yeah, I'll also go over some details on this microphone. I hope you guys enjoy the review. Now, this is the part I would tell you what preamp I'm using, but I'm not using a preamp or an interface. You do not need one of these to go with your microphone. The microphone plugs right into your computer, so it's pretty simple. You plug it in and you start recording. Now, my mic gain is at 50%. I have no effects on my voice, so everything you're hearing right now is completely raw. Now, this microphone records in 192 kilohertz and 24-bit sampling rate. It has a frequency response of 30 hertz to 16 kilohertz. So now I guess I'm gonna go ahead and do a little distance test for you guys. I'm about 6 inches from the microphone. This is how far you want to be from your microphone when you record, about 6 inches roughly. So we're about 6 inches from the microphone. Now I'm about 1 foot from the microphone. Now we're about 2 feet from the microphone. I'd say we're about 4 or 5 feet from the microphone. Now we're about 7 feet from the microphone. Roughly 7 feet, I would say so. Now, like I mentioned before, there is no effects on my voice. Everything you're hearing is completely raw. And this is what it sounds like with effects. So I hope you guys like this microphone review. There's effects on my voice. What's up? My name is Kelly. So now I guess I'll go ahead and get into the music test. So I'm gonna do a little rapping for you guys. I have a friend coming over, Horizon Wake. You guys might have seen him on this channel before. He's gonna sing for you guys. He's gonna do some guitar for you guys. I'm gonna do the rapping, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So we have multiple voices, we have multiple tests, singing, rapping, guitars. So, you know, I hope you guys got enough comparisons, and I hope you guys like the microphone. So let's go ahead and get into the music test. Alright, no, I'm doing alright. I ain't never gonna left. Kelli here to do it now. This I'm up. Beth, I ain't never gonna quit. Yeah, I'm feeling like the best. I'ma say on my chest. I ain't never gonna rest. Put the boy to the test. Guarantee I A+. I ain't never quit. Yeah, I know I'm way above. I ain't never quit. No way, nah. Kelli here to get it where they never gonna go. I ain't never gonna stop. I ain't never go broke. Got a million in my mind. I'ma free my soul. Got a million in my mind. Yeah, let's go. Alright, yeah. I'ma go all night. Yeah. I'ma take my flight. Yeah. Staying fly like kites. I ain't never go down. Got a million in my mind. Got a rep for the town. Kelli here to get it now. I'll be coming for the crown. I ain't never gonna. Alright, no, I'm doing alright. I ain't never gonna left. Kelli here to do it now. This I'm up. Beth, I ain't never gonna quit. Yeah, I'm feeling like the best. I'ma say on my chest. I ain't never gonna rest. Put the boy to the test. Guarantee I A+. I ain't never quit. Yeah, I know I'm way above. I ain't never quit. No way, nah. Kelli here to get it where they never gonna go. I ain't never gonna stop. I ain't never go broke. Got a million in my mind. I'ma free my soul. Got a million in my mind. Yeah, let's go. Alright, yeah. I'ma go all night. Yeah. I'ma take my flight. Yeah. Staying fly like kites. I ain't never go down. Got a million in my mind. Got a rep for the town. Kelli here to get it now. I'll be coming for the crown. I ain't never gonna.
like I go, like I soul. Yeah, I got love for my I gotta pour another drink right now. She got a feeling cause she think I'm down. Oh, cause you spend another night downtown. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh
Now, I hope you guys like the music test. I hope you like my rapping. I hope you like my friends singing. If you guys want to check out more of our music, you can check out the links below. Feel free. But most importantly, I hope you guys like this microphone, this lovely USB Maono microphone. Now, personally, for $65 USD, I think that you get your money's worth. You get an entire microphone setup, as you guys can see. The whole entire thing. Now, this is not the best microphone I reviewed. I've reviewed $2,000 microphones. The signal on this microphone is a little weak. It doesn't have the widest frequency response, but again, it's $65. To anybody just starting out, I would highly suggest this microphone so you get the whole entire kit, especially if you're just talking into the microphone like I am right now, gaming, doing some podcasting. It will do you just fine. Awesome microphone, and as you guys can tell, it did pretty good in the music test. Anyways, I hit the guitar. That's pretty much it. If you guys want to go grab one of these microphones, I will leave a link below. For like 50-some dollars, you guys can get one of these microphones. I mean, not just the microphone, you get the whole entire microphone kit. So like, it's definitely a good investment. Plug in and play. You don't need no interface for it. Buy this microphone, plug it into your computer, and start recording. Links below. That's pretty much it. I hope you guys like this video. Comment below. Hit that thumbs up. Let me know what you want to see next. But yeah, I got lots on the way. So stay tuned. Peace out.
Gotta get it where they never gon' go. I ain't never gon' stop, I ain't never go broke. Got a million in my mind, I'ma free my soul. Got a million in my mind, yeah, let's go, alright, yeah. I'ma go all night, yeah. I'ma take my flight, yeah. Staying fly like kites, I ain't never go down. Got a million in my mind, got a rap for the town. Gotta get it now, I'll be coming for the crown. I ain't never gon'